Okay, recently trending, and this is in the United States too, just to be precise, let everybody know, because you can always change this to a different country. Recently trending, these are the recently trending searches right now, top trending searches in the United States, and the amounts. 50K search, 50,000 searches here, Mega Millions, oh wow, 2 million searches on the Mega Millions, and more trending searches. Now the year in search gives you the last few years, what's trended per year. And of course 2020 just came out. Google new initiatives. So that's the home page. And then explore. And under explore is where you can add your search term, pretty much similar to the home page. But here you also see search topics that are rising in general, search queries, topics and queries that are pretty much hot right now. And under explore, which is pretty much where we'll be going to next, is where you could just type any term to see what's going on, and you hit enter, and then you see that. But we'll come back to that since we're still going to the menus. Trending searches, again, this gives it a little bit more specific data, more specific information on what people are searching for and the amounts of searches. And when you do this over here, you get to see all the related news related to that search. And you can share it, as you can see over here, on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr. You can email it, RSS. You can embed it. And it tells you really what's going on there. If you have any questions on how it works. And then the year in search, which was what, again, we saw on that homepage, but here's a breakdown of it. Election results, coronavirus, Kobe Bryant. So we see all the things that have been trending in general over the year last year.